The acronym STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. 4 subjects that touch our lives daily.
In this video series, you have been given a glimpse into how cars are designed and built and how STEM skills contribute to efficient production and continued innovation.
You also heard from GM employees about how communication, teamwork and collaboration, creativity and problem solving, a leadership mindset, inclusivity and empathy, and resilience are important abilities that contribute to success, satisfaction, and innovation in STEM careers.
In this video, you'll hear from GM employees who work at different plants and offices about how advancements in STEM are not only influencing the future of GM, but also the future of our world.
Almost every angle of life, every corner of life has a STEM purpose behind it.
Whether it's your car or your smart TV, the Amazon Alexa on your counter that you speak to.
From homework to cooking, doing laundry, paint project, rebuilding a deck outside, washing the car.
If you think why STEM is integral, it can give you the equipment. If I'm going on a fishing trip, I need my bait, my fishing pole. If you think football, I need my helmet, my pads. If you think basketball, I need my shoes. I need the basketball itself. STEM is what can help you achieve your goals with the equipment, with the tools that you build.
There are so many complex problems in this world. Complex problems take complex solutions. You really need to be creative. You need to think outside of the norm. It takes science, technology, engineering, and math to solve those.
Being in STEM is a job where you push the entire culture forward, right? The entire nation forward.
We get to see technology and engineering come into play and make a good product better. I didn't even expect to be a person that contributed to the world of STEM. It makes me want to go to work and do my work. I tell people all the time, they're paying me to do something I would have done for free almost.
Cars are these computers on wheels, you might hear people say, but it's really true. There's so much engineering, but software as well. So if you are interested in computers or coding, there is so much opportunity, and I think it's only going to increase.
GM envisions a world with no crashes, no emissions, and no congestion.
Every employee at GM strives to uphold this vision and contribute to a cleaner, safer world for all of us.
For example, by focusing on sustainable manufacturing practices and electric vehicles, GM employees in STEM-based careers are working to create a better future.
EVs or electric vehicles are cleaner to operate and better for the environment and runs off of electricity instead of going to the fuel pump. You plug in just like your cell phone or your tablet. What GM is doing is moving towards an electric vehicle which has 0 tailpipe emissions, none at all.
That's how we're contributing. We are changing up the way we build our models to be more eco-friendly, to get things done faster. Yeah, that's how.
Our EVs are changing the future and working on them, and just seeing the difference is pretty amazing.
What can we do to continue to be on top and to be the best? The way of things are going now, electric vehicles is the next step. GM is so innovative. They're always thinking like 10 steps ahead. All the thoughts and the process and the collaborations, the teamwork that is going into this, we're going to just keep moving forward.
It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait. 0 crashes, 0 emissions, 0 congestion. Oh, I can't wait. I'm ready for it today. I hope that by 2030, not just GM, but a lot of the car companies go to all electric.
We have a passion to ensure that we're doing things correctly from an environmental perspective. STEM relates to sustainability. I think that is where our solutions are going to come from. The Zero Waste program, we're looking at various wastes that we generate. It's no longer good for us, but somebody else could take it and make a new product.
Recycling can be a difficult uphill battle because it's oftentimes more expensive than just throwing something away. Materials like that, post-consumer recycled content, that's getting incorporated into certain plastics in our vehicles. It might be something that the customer can even touch and they see that this is something that was made from recycled water bottles or fish nets from the ocean or whatever it is. Being part of the solution of creating this kind of new infrastructure to help procure these materials, get them out of the landfill, and put them to better use. I mean, that just gets me going.
The potential of STEM allows you to do anything and everything. It's limitless in its capabilities of where you can go.
When you think you've seen it all, and then you walk through the studios and you see what the designers have, and it's all new and fresh.
STEM is going to be a huge part of my future. The science and technology behind everything is constantly advancing. What's new today is going to be outdated a few years from now. It's a really neat thing to be part of integrating it, to be part of using it, programming it, and just seeing it work every day.
Everything that you do makes a difference, good or bad, and you have to choose. That's how we have to treat making a car.
Our world is here, we have one, and we're very unique as far as we know. So it's precious and we need to preserve it.
The future generations really inspire me. I just want to give something better. It's important and I think it's the right thing to do.
Our future is electric from a zero crashes, zero congestion, zero emission standpoint. That's where we are the future of the company because we provide for the future of the company. We recognize the importance of what we do in order to afford the company to continue to have the future that we know we'll have.
The future is absolutely in STEM. Absolutely in STEM, and it's the future, right? So you want to be a part of the future.
By focusing on future professions in technology, engineering, and math,
and by honing skills like communication, teamwork, inclusion, and resilience,
together, we can define our future.